Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about 4 things to look out for when a reputable home buyer comes to look at your property. If they're doing these things, they're doing a good job, but if they're not, you better watch out. Could have a shyster on your hands.
That's a shyster.
Exactly. The first thing a reputable home buyer should do when they come to look at your property is to talk with you and get a feel for what your plans are with the property, why you want to sell it, what you're going to be doing, so that they can figure out how fast you need to sell, how much really needs to be done before that time comes. Second, they're going to walk around the outside of your property and they are going to look at every nook and cranny. They are going to look at any damages. They're going to look at any shifted foundations. They are going to look at your chimneys. They're going to look at your outside amenities. They're going to look at if your condo or your townhome has a pool. They're going to check that out, and they are going to get pictures of your AC unit to see how old it is. They're going to check your roof and things like that. They're going to make sure that everything is okay on the outside of your property and take a bunch of pictures. Next, they're going to come inside and they're going to do multiple angles in every room of the property so that they can get everything in there. They need to make sure that they see all the closets, all the bathrooms. They need to look under the sinks to make sure there's no noticeable signs of water damage. They need to feel the floors in all the corners and to make sure they're not soft or that there's places that need to be replaced that you didn't know about. And finally, they should be getting back to you within 3 days of viewing your property. If they haven't gotten back to you by then, they are not serious. They are not trying to help you and figure out what's best for you. They need to contact you. They need to make sure that your needs are being met. And those are 4 things to expect when you're actually dealing with a reputable home buyer. So if you got home buyers coming in and they're taking 1 picture of each room, or they're not actually talking to you about the property and finding out what you know about damages and repairs that need to be done, then you may have a shyster on your hands. Don't be a shyster. If this video gave you some good information, taught you a little bit about home buyers, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, get all of our new content. Thanks for watching.